2021. Okay, and the number is 18, the EV 20S 2023. Today, I want to talk about workplace environment and ergonomics. Introduction. First, the work environment is very important for a long working person because they need to be in a safe environment. So, in the simplest terms, workplace environment is the place where employees carry out their jobs. It clearly an important part of what constitutes the workplace environment is the building where employees attend work. That could be an office building or industrial facility, but it also could be a visual their home or various off-site locations if you have workers who visit clients or customers on their premise or in their home. But ergonomic is the science of designing the job to fit the worker rather than physically forcing for the worker's body to fit the job. 5. Poor worksite design leads to fatigue, frustrated, and hurting workers. Last, ergonomic improvement process removes risk factors that lead to musculoskeletal injuries and allow for improved performance and productivity. Level of workplace environment. First, to analyze the workplace in order to gain a better understanding of the atmosphere. 2. A workplace inspection creates a point inspection of working environment. 3. Evaluate the organizational work environment for health hazards and risks. Last, determining preventive measures to overcome these hazards. OSH rules and legislation. The purpose of this directive is the introduction of measures for the improvement of safety and health of workers in the workplace. This is because of the prevention of occupational risk, the prevention of unsafe working conditions.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Hidayah binti Ahmad Latifi. My metric card is 18DEB 20F 2015. Today I'm going to continue the presentation. Now is about ergonomics in office. The first is, in the office, there is a difference in terms of building. Second, office worker may also face a variety of health and safety issue. For example, repetitive work, burdensome movement, inadequate lighting and narrow work area. And then that can occur at work due to physical stress and strain, such as sitting in the same position for long period of time, making repetitive movement and overuse. The last is these injuries can cause stress and swelling to muscle, nerves, tendon, joint, blood vessel, and the spine. Now is step to improve ergonomics in the office. The first is understand ergonomics injuries, and then understand office ergonomics, identifies your ergonomics challenge, set up your workstation, select the right equipment.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nakuzama Bit Ramzi. My entry number is 18DAV20F2029. View and comments on safe work practice in order to maintain health and safe work environments. The wrong way to use the mouse and keyboard can cause injury when using it for too long. This lamp not stable for workplace environment because the lighting is very strong. This can affect our eyes if we turn on the light in a long time. Okay, a faulty fan can cause discomfort problems in the workplace environment. A workplace that does, does not have good ventilation can make workers uncomfortable doing work with hot indoors areas and make work difficult. Less suitable seats are used because they do not have wheels to facilitate movement. In addition, the seat also cannot be adjusted according to the user for comfort. A study table that is uncomfortable to use because the table is very low and can cause back pain when using it for a long time. Moreover, the small table area makes it difficult to do the work and limited to placing the equipment to be used.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Norifah Patricia binti Kampung Zaman. My metric number is 18DEV20F2003. So I will to continue my friend's presentation, which is recommended improvement. This lamp is very suitable for student or office workers. This is because the lighting of this lamp more dimmer and it will be not affect our eyes. It also flexible and easy to bring anywhere. Second one is when using the mouse, make sure your wrists are straight, that you are bending to the right or left. When using a keyboard, position the hand is position the hands in a proper position and avoid bending. Then the next one is can increase the speed and ability of to move, think and easier to do something with, physically and emotionally in a good condition. Installing an office air conditioning unit to improve workplace productivity. Next is it is important to choose a chair that will support the human back in the correct position and contribute to the formation of a healthy posture. For example, adjustable head, adjustable back head and angle, adjustable arms rest. The last one is make sure the edge of the work surface is not sharp. Sharp edge provide pressure points on wrist and forearms. A simple fix could be to beline the work surface edge with a table edge protector. Select a proper work surface such as dining table or countertop. The conclusion of this presentation is, as the conclusion, there are many ways to solve this ergonomic problem. First of all, we must try to place our work that we and sit in a comfortable position while we do it. Besides, try not to put too much stress on one area of our body such as our lower back or arms. After that, we must change a position often. At the last is turn with your whole body instead to twisting your face forward. Take breaks to stretch a back out from your chair every 20 to 40 minutes, or if you can switch to another task. That's all from our group. Thank you.